for the hood, man, the blocks. You know, 6 Mile. D Street, man, this Padino right here.
Hey listen, I be in cold sweats at night, I watch me sleep, it's like I'm astral plane. Sheets be soaking wet, I sleep alone, shit, how my wife complaining. How you counter stress when that demon gets your neck locked? When the hook shuts your spot down, re-up and hit the next block. Who cautious youngin'? It's these niggas you have around you. When you talk, cover your lips and make sure that the room is soundproof. That's mob shit, never engage in direct communications. Cause I hate to see them lie with dramatics and smiling faces. No patience, these niggas are having fucking catchy cases. Taking everything to heart with emotional speculations. Nigga, calm down. You can't be falling for these traps, this ain't no rap, it's real rap, bitch, motherfucking facts. I hear niggas be ratting, proud to be on paperwork, moving like the turtles that sewer slowing beneath the earth. It's the tension between enemies that cross paths, upper hand, twin six Sawyers that give a grimy laugh. Shooters with me, probably caught a nigga slipping. It's like pulling out quick and you ain't even had a clip in. Damn, now you done fucked up, right? They kill anything, don't care if it's daytime or night. Old dog. Got them screaming, oh God, it's evil to live back with chessboard full of pawns. No pacts could ever be made in war with man and lion. No alliance, controlling earth and water like the sight. It's like you either tell the truth or you lying. Till there's no life for bullshit, and niggas start dying. We know they spine, see the flashes through the tint. Be switching disguises up, come out the booth like Clark Kent. The falling, my knowledge is in biology is deep, but I don't speak about it. They won't believe the shit I see. I often think about the times when I was lost. Got niggas in a state to go directly to the boss. We touch anybody, the blood oath is a sting of ours. Sandman, he like to reminisce and shit when we were stars. Yeah, straight up off the top with 100 bars. Tell them little niggas the guard's back and the hood is ours.
6 Mile, you know.
Staring your killer right in the face. And no matter how you move, it's suicide either way. Like a double entendre. Became a god and a monster. Watching the demons I create. Destroy the things that I'm fond of. It's the blood oath. Only a few of us are survivors. Check the game tape. Even our resumes state the